na inti mefa efi ekuapem inti meye my dream say obi a metimi attempt the largest leaf print painting, which is the first record ever the whole world mu obia enye sa record neda inti many first person a mede Ghana I come up no so to set that record. My dream say mede ahaban eye prints ninti no say no my started send me infusing leaves no into my cultural and heritage paintings, and it taking me to a whole different dimension into sustainability, biodiversity, protecting our greens and our environment. And due to that, I made PhD in Museum and Heritage Studies at University of Ghana, Legon. And me Juma as an architect, so Accra Technical University. Me combine this and money na me person me say for Okuapemano and Mofrano. Me say you be a lot of art sessions, and it won't just be the drawing. It will be tutorials, talk shows, brainstorming on our ecosystem, because I'm trying to say introduce eco art into the art sector in Ghana. Inti mesren and I say 200 years oma mekwan na menya access to Mofrano na me ne wonya wo wanema enchire wiase na me unleash talents so out of Okuapema Mofrano, because I believe say there are so many talents we don't even know. Apart from that, so art is also a therapeutic. I had an instance at an orphanage where Abu Frebi a painting obi ori smoky. Me pisa ni enti no obi wakache me say na oye oka am robbery gang kon. No what dey for windows mo. Na what dey na ko rehab when him say wa clear, but no unclear enti art no. And I'm a one who say our images no on team. Until I'm sure say it will do so much work for Okuapema. Say mama me sa kwa no mama ya. Until nana pacho ya me de to any that's na me person me magazine ba ko say mo be mama kwa.